Well, this is going to be interesting. I have not started this damn gas generator with a Vanguard engine in it in like a year and a half. And last time I left it sit a year, started up the first pull with this stuff. Because it keeps the ethanol fuel from going bad. This stuff works better than, I don't know if this is going to work though. I'm going to be surprised if it does. Choke on. Amazing, holy smokies. Got to warm up. That is absolutely insane. Now, this is honest, man. This is totally honest. Yeah, I'll shut it off because you can't hear me talking. I gotta, after it warms up, it'll go more to the run. And turn the, wow. Turn the fuel off. This is totally honest. I was sitting a year and a half. The last time I let it sit a year, and it did the same thing, first pull. And it's just junk. It's not junk, I'm telling you. I've used Stable 360. I use the PRIG. That's the G one is for the gasoline, and I've had very good results with this stuff because the fuel is 10% ethanol. There's some kind of enzyme in here. The ethanol fuel, it's the 10% ethanol fuel, it tracks moisture, even just from the air. You know, from the humidity in the air. That's why the new fuel goes bad pretty quick. You put this stuff in it, it keeps it good. I had the same thing with the Sebring convertible, no problem. I had fuel in there 5 years. I kept putting that stuff in there. The lawnmower, sometimes it'll give me a hard time starting if it's been sitting a long time. I put that in the gas tank of the lawnmower, let it sit, and somehow it must go through all the passages or whatever. And then it starts up. Same thing with the motorcycle. So this one's almost done. And I buy it. This is no commercial, man. I'm telling you right now, I don't do commercials. This is going to be it's going to be ads on this video, but yeah. This stuff, I didn't really have such good choice. Didn't have such good luck with this stuff. Yeah, it's not bad. See, I got another quart. This supposedly treats like 512 gallons, but I always put it a lot more concentrated than that. It's amazing. That's freaking absolutely amazing. I'll tell you what, I'm very much surprised. Like I just saying it 50,000 times, but I thought, well, I was very much surprised the last time. But this thing, I look back in my videos when I did that starts first pull, when I did this before. It was a year and a half ago or more. This thing's been sitting a long time. Just boom, no problem. So, I know there's a lot of different opinions on these different things, and I tried all of them. I keep going back to this one. I put it in the bike. The bike the Harley's got no problem starting up. The lawnmower, I had a Sebring convertible. I'll probably put the rest of this in the El Camino over here, and because you know I don't use it that much. I got several cars here, but old ones I just kind of use here and there. But That's good to know, because we have this is an emergency portable generator, and if you want to use it, it's for an emergency, right? So you want to be fiddling around, because normally if I don't use this stuff, I got to take the bottom of the carburetor off, and there's a little thing on the bottom. I take a pin, and it gets all gummed up, and I got to clear it out. I never had to do that when I use this stuff. And of course I keep extra spark plugs on here and everything, but I've noticed that stuff keeps your, like even on a regular car engine, that stuff will keep a lot of things cleaner a lot longer, like your injectors and even your O2 sensors. I'm not nobody gave me this stuff free or nothing. I get it from Amazon, but you know, I've been using it for a few years now because I tried everything else, and I kind of like an amateur mechanic, but I never. This time I think this thing probably maybe sat 2 years, possibly. This time it was well over a year and a half. That is extremely surprising. And it's no BS. This is you know, amateur video productions over here. Nobody's paying me to do this or anything like that. This is just 100% legit. And a lot of times people don't buy that because somebody said it, but if you know me on this channel, I don't play games. I give people real help.